What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video. Today is going to be quite a short one, but hopefully a bit more satisfying for you lot rather than doing all nasty gritty stuff as per usual. Today we're going to be test fitting, well, we're going to be fitting the new wheels that I've bought for the ST150 because the bowlers are a bit tired now and I feel there's a bit of a need for a change up in the summer. So for those of you in the car world that know, these are OZ Futuras, or OZ Futuras, whatever you want to call them. And most of you know that these weren't for a cheap price. But yeah, I can't wait to fit these. These look so good, and they're going to complement the car really, really well. So let's get them on.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
That's going to be fun trying to get that ready?
Yeah, go on.
Definitely got a lot left.
One more shot goes. I feel like you're up to something. Fuck that, you're up to something.
Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. If you were wondering, the wheels are a staggered fitment, which is 16 by 8.5J on the front, and then it's a 16 by 9J on the rear. As you saw by last week's video, I removed the rear spacers and I didn't really have much problem with doing it, and that was the reason why, because I knew these wheels were going on for the summer. Really happy with how they look on the car, really complements it, and it's just a fresh new look because I feel that there's a lot of white STs out there with white bowlers now, so I just wanted to mix it up a bit and have something different on the car for the summer. But anyway guys, sorry it was a bit of a short one this week, but we have got something coming up, hopefully by next week. That is a bit of a better video, just schedules got in the way and stuff like that. But yeah, hopefully we'll see you in the next one, and I'll catch you later.